Nananatiling positibo ang Philippine Women's National Football Team sa kabila ng kanilang rough start sa AFC Women's Asian Cup na nila'y isang torneyong makakatulong pa sa pagpapalakas ng women's football program ng bansa sa kabila ng anumang magiging resulta ng kanilang kampanya rito. Para sa kabuuang detalye, alamin sa reporter ni teammate JB Junio.
Sa patuloy na kampanya ng Pilipinas para sa AFC Women's Asian Cup na ginanap sa Robina Stadium sa Gold Coast, Australia, bigong madaig ng koponan ang South Korea sa score na 3-0. Bagamat hindi nila nakamit ang panalo, nananatiling buo ang determinasyon ng koponan na ipagpatuloy ang kanilang misyon, ang makalusot sa group stage at muling makipagsabayan sa mga pinakamalalakas na koponan sa torneo. Ayon sa head coach ng Pilipinas na si Mark Torcaso, nananatiling malinaw ang direksyon ng koponan sa liga ang magkaroon ng disiplina, pagkakaisa at konektadong paglalaro sa loob ng field.
We're really determined to get out of the group because we know that can set us up to go to another World Cup. We've stuck to our collective, disciplined, connected sort of type of mentality. We've been enforcing this not just in the last month in camp, but also, we started really implementing this in the SEA Games, and we saw the success that, JL and a lot of our young girls had.
Ipinaliwanag din ni Torcaso na ang mga labang ito ay hindi lamang para sa resulta, kundi para sa paghubog ng bagong henerasyon ng mga manlalaro ng women's football sa Pilipinas. Isa sa mga nakatanggap ng pagkakataong ito ay ang rising player na si Jael Marigay, na unang beses nakapaglaro sa isang malaking torneo ng football.
This was JL's first game in an AFC tournament, and there was a number of players that represented the country for the first time in a major tournament as well. So all these games are about growth for our players, which has a big impact on every single young girl that wants to play the game back in the Philippines. So we just want to perform at the highest level as best as we can. So we change the dialogue that we want more and more girls to play football in the Philippines. So, and these girls are doing a fantastic job at the moment with regards to that.
Para naman kay Jael, isang personal na pangarap ang paglalaro para sa Pilipinas, hindi lamang bilang atleta, kundi bilang pagpapahalaga sa kanyang pinagmulan.
It's always been a dream of mine to represent my nation and my family's nation. My mom is Filipino, and I think that has a lot to do with my motivation and like my family and my roots that lead me to the Philippines.
Ibinahagi rin ni Jael na nagsimula lamang sa isang mensahe sa coaching staff ang kanyang pagpasok sa national team hanggang sa mabigyan ng pagkakataon na maipakita ang kanyang kakayahan sa international stage.
I reached out to Coach Mark, sent him like highlights, and of course playing at the US for like club teams and things like that helps, but yeah, so we kept in contact and I came to play here, but it was mostly just the fact that like I have family here and like in the Philippines, and it was also a way for me to become a better player and grow in the stage that I play soccer, because for my aspirations of like becoming pro one day maybe or something like that, playing on the national team would also lead me to that route as well.
Sa kabila ng hamon na dulot ng pagkatalo, nananatiling malinaw ang layunin ng Pilipinas, ang magpatuloy sa paglago at magbigay inspirasyon sa mas maraming kabataang Pilipina na pasukin ang mundo ng football. JB Junio para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.